Hey everybody, right, what can I say about this jewel tool? It is one of the best pieces of equipment I've ever bought. It's brilliant, it's so cool. Just, it's like the water tray slides in there and just pops on the front. I mean, how cool is that? Round the back, excuse the noise, round the back, these two. Now I got these aren't jewel tool lights themselves, but I got them just off eBay, to be honest. And wrong way around. And what you do is you pop the other one in as well. Right. You switch it on. And you have the lights. And you put them over like that and you can see straight through. You don't need to have this on. You can do it without that on. See straight over. Absolutely brilliant. These are the discs. This is the coarse diamond, and I have done so many of these geodes and it's still perfect, and they're so easy to pop on. You just pop that on the top there, switch it on, and it's on. Voila! To change them, it's just super simple. Like I say, all these, they're all a bit dusty, but there's absolutely nothing wrong with them. They're all fine. That's the compound you get with it as well. Lovely shine. You can't really see the shine so much. I'm trying to find one to show you the shine. It's really difficult to see the shine, and the sun's just gone in, so that's helpful. But yeah, you get a lovely shine, you really do. It's a fantastic piece of kit, and it's so easy, and you can get all different sorts of things that I haven't ordered yet. I'm going to order some more things, and it's just such a simple thing. You can do so many things with it. I've been watching jooltool's videos. They're on YouTube, they're on Facebook, and she goes through everything, does on it, and it's fantastic. You can tell it's been designed by somebody who's been in the business, because she knows what she needs. See, it doesn't even bother. Full speed. No worries. You're not worried, are you? Thank you. Fabulous bit of kit. I'm looking forward to finding out everything it can do, aren't we? So thank you, jooltool, for bringing this kit to us. It's amazing. You also get a really good book. How to set up all the different things you can do. This will be easy without you sitting in my place. All the different stages. Exactly. How to polish and which wheels you need. And then on the back you've got this really good, I don't know if you can see it or not,